Pakistan Army, with full support and confidence of the nation, has successfully turned the tide against the menace of terrorism in the last two decades and has ensured that organized terrorism is decisively rooted out from Pakistan. This is indeed a unique accomplishment that not many countries or armies can claim. You need to have courage and ability to take difficult decisions and then accept full responsibility. Pakistan is a peace-loving country. In our quest for peace, we have extended sincere and all-out efforts to evolve good neighborly relations with all our neighbors and regional countries. We are trying our best to break the political logjam which has denied the countries of South Asia to move forward and resolve all regional and bilateral issues in a peaceful and dignified manner. People of South Asia, like the rest of the world, deserve prosperity and better living conditions. This can only happen with sustained economic growth, development, and above all, lasting peace. Therefore, we must strive hard to keep the flames of war away from the region. We must give peace a chance by developing a mechanism to resolve all our bilateral issues peacefully. Moreover, as opposed to fighting each other, we should collectively fight hunger, poverty, illiteracy, population explosion, climate change, and disease. The world has changed, so should we, as the price of status quo will be devastating for all of us. However, I must highlight here that our desire for peace must not be construed as our weakness. No one should make any mistake about our collective resolve to defend our core interest and every inch of our motherland. I must remind you that we have paid both in blood and kind to safeguard our sovereignty and integrity. Thousands of valiant sons have sacrificed their lives to enable us reach the place where we stand today. I am highly optimistic and assured by your exemplary display of discipline and professionalism that the prestige, security, and safety of our country is in safe hands. As a good soldier, always remain focused on your job. Don't get distracted by fake news and political wrangling in the country. Respect the democratic institutions and be always ready to defend the territorial integrity, sovereignty, and the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan with your life. And finally, always remain alert and prepared to respond to and defeat all intrigues and conspiracies hatched against our country with iron fist. The message is clear. The armed forces, with the support of our citizens, will never allow any country, group, or force to politically or economically destabilize Pakistan.